I'm Denise Glinz. I'm the CHORE Coordinator with the City of Southfield. My CHORE program helps low-income seniors 62 years of age and older who are living alone or with a spouse in a home they own in Southfield, or physically challenged head of household who live alone in a home they own in Southfield. My program helps with doing small repairs in the home and outside maintenance. My contractors consist of plumbers, an electrician, handyman, window washing, painter, and lawn maintenance, including grass, leaf raking, snow, and gutter cleaning. If you are interested in the program or have any questions, please contact me at 248-796-4180. Thank you.